Well, hello everyone. So this video is about the INIU or INIU P63 battery pack. So I got an email from them asking if I wanted to do a video on their P63 charger. And well, it turns out I had actually already bought a bigger model, the B1, and I really like this, and having a second smaller one would give me kind of different options for different situations. So for the record, I bought the B1 myself, and they sent me this P63 for this video. And while this video is mainly about this P63, I'll compare the two since I have them both. So they're pretty simple devices. They both have 3 ports. There's 2 dedicated to output charging, and then there's a third that's an in and out charging port. So they both have a USB-A rated for 18 watts, and then a USB-C rated for 45 watts. And then the P63 has an in and out that's rated for 100 watts, while the B1's in and out is rated for 140 watts. So there's different configurations on how much power outage is given based on what you have plugged into here. So basically, if you have one plugged in, you get the actual reading on each of the devices here. And then if you have 2 or more things, the power kind of switches a little bit. So I post a screenshot here. You can pause the video and just check out kind of the power ratings based on how many devices you have plugged into it. So they both have LCD screens. The P63 gives you a percentage readout of its total charge, and that's pretty much it if it's charging or using the battery pack. The B1 gives you a bit more information. It has the same percentage in the middle, but then it gives you a little bit more data, such as the wattage it's using and then how many hours remaining. And they both also have a power button on the side to turn the units on and off. So the 2 best things about these battery packs is, number 1, they have pass-through, so you can charge the battery while you use it. And the second thing is, being rated at 100 watts or above, they will charge your laptop. So this last one is actually the reason I purchased the B1 in the first place, because I do a lot of on-location tethering, and it's nice to have something that can just add a bit of charge to my computer when there's no power outlet around. Something I thought I'd point out just for full disclosure of my experience. So my P63, its USB-A port gets pretty hot when charging pretty much anything. So it's not gonna burn you, but it's not warm, it's hot. So maybe it's just my P63 and the rest of them are not like this, but the USB-C ports are fine. They don't heat up at all. It's only just the USB-A on my P63. The B1 has no heating issues at all that I've found. And in my use case, it's really not that big of a deal, the heating issue, but it's something I think you should be aware of. So the P63 has 25,000 milliamp hour capacity, and it weighs basically 14 ounces or 400 grams. While the B1 has 27,000 milliamp hour capacity, and it weighs 21 ounces or 600 grams. So both being 27,000 or less milliamp hours, they're both allowed to go through TSA as well. So they've both been really great devices for me. They're really similar and they're basically the same thing, so you can't go wrong if you choose either one of them. But between the 2 of them, the B1 is good for when you need more power, and the P63 is good when you need something smaller. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks everyone for watching.